Go ahead. What are you doing? What's on there?
Scaring Timmy.
Well, with what?
With the broom saying there's a spider.
Wait, let me see. Come here. Ashton, come here. Let me see the broom. Ashton, come. Bring it up here so I can see it. Okay. Where is it supposed to be?
It's supposed to be.
Oh, that stuff?
This
okay, show me what happens. Show me what happens.
Here goes.
We might be able to put this on America's Funniest Videos. What's he scared of? Is he scared of the broom?
Let's see.
Is he scared of the broom?
It's nothing. It's nothing. Look. There's nothing. You have to control it. Look to me. Nothing. He's just joking.